On January 1st, 2020, we mark the beginning of a new year. A new year with new hope, new resolutions, and new ideas on how to better our lives and how to better the world around us. But little did we know that this year was going to bring a lot of darkness into our lives. The sort of darkness that had a gripping fear to it. The sort of darkness that saw no hope. But there was light at the end of the tunnel in the frontliners. The frontliners who go out there every day risking their lives to save ours. And hence, the 6th semester students of the Sociology Department of St. Edmunds College have come together to make this tribute video to all the frontliners.
Your efforts are undeniable.
May you never be disheartened.
You've done so much for us. We appreciate you. God bless you.
Thank you for being in the front line. We can help ourselves by helping you all.
Even in this situation, thank you for giving your best and risking your lives for the people. You are the real heroes.
We are grateful to all the doctors and other workers who are helping and fighting to keep us safe from this current situation. So guys, stay home and stay safe.
Every day, you inspire us with your great work. Thank you for showing us the potential to achieve much greater things.
Doctor, nurse, ledam doin na taku song song te, bipuitanin, inu na thapa na into na konga kan ngai sang chawin, intan kalau trong trai rengai.
Thank you so much for all that you do, to all the health workers who work to keep us safe and save people's lives. Putting yourself at risk is greatly appreciated. You are lifesavers.
We acknowledge and appreciate all your tireless efforts in the fight against this pandemic. We thank you all with a huge respect for your continuous care and help for all of us. You all are the real heroes. May God bless you all.
For every strength that you muster to help us all, we want to thank all the individuals who are taking risks to protect the vulnerable in the community. Indeed, you are beyond capable, and thank you.
To all the health workers and police department out there, you are amazing, wonderful. May God be with you always. Thank you. Take care.
A big thanks to all those who are working day and night to fight against this pandemic. We work together, we win together.
So I'd like to thank all the doctors, police officials, army men, and all the nurses, and everyone who's fighting against this coronavirus. Let's not forget to stay home and stay safe. Thank you everyone for taking care of everything.
Thank you for being the only hope during the most difficult times of our lives. Thank you for all your sacrifices. Thank you to your parents for letting you come out so that you can treat us. Thank you for saving us. We will win this battle, surely. Thank you.
The outbreak, you've been risking and putting your life in danger and saving everyone else's lives. Instead of spending time with your family, you're busy saving someone else's family member. We are forever in debt to your care for humanity. Thank you for all that you do for us. Thank you for your sacrifices, for your patience, and for your hard work. Thank you. You are our true heroes.
COVID-19, this deadly virus that has put all of our lives on hold and made us all stay at home. But the ones that are not doing so are those frontliners. Through this video, I would like to show my appreciation. My family and I are extremely grateful and thankful to all the frontliners who are out there risking their lives to fight this deadly virus, and in the process making us all feel safe. Thank you so much.
Mangasi mi pina yong nasam diman sen I bachelor kwa au chim gni ko bu heni por yo ik play pi wara I kom krech tombi o daw keri I wara ngani khlam ikam yong pi to ikam u khrotam I u blai u kurku khdo wi pi
Your dedication, commitment, and courage deserves our deepest gratitude and admiration. Your service to mankind is saving countless of lives and making thousands of difference. The word of God says in Hebrews 6 verse 10, God is not unjust and he will not forget your work and the love you have shown him as you have helped his people and continue to help them. May God be with you and continue to bless you and guide you. My prayers and support are with all of you.
Now, our healthcare workers are on the front line, battling against the coronavirus. They've put themselves on the path of the virus, rising up to the occasion and caring for the most vulnerable populations. Dear healthcare workers, police forces, and others fighting for humanity on the front line, we are forever grateful for your endless services. You are worthy of love and affection. And for the rest of us staying home, let us wake up with a grateful heart. We might not have control over the situation right now, but we do have control over our thoughts and actions. Thank you all. Stay safe, stay home.
When I need it.